Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about and how to use the Merlin AI effectively. So if you've ever wished that you could have ChatGPT available on almost every website you visit, summarize YouTube video in seconds, reply to emails faster, or instantly improve your writing, then the Merlin AI might be exactly what you're looking for. So today's video, we are going to talk about it. All right. So first, what is Merlin AI? The Merlin AI is an AI-powered productivity assistant that works through your web browser and other supported apps. So instead of opening a separate AI chatbot every time you need help, the Merlin lets you access AI while browsing websites, reading articles, watching videos, or writing emails. Okay? And it supports multiple leading AI models, so you can choose the one that best fits your task and if your plan includes access to them. So think of Merlin as an AI assistant that follows you around the web. So to get started, you just have to open any of your web browser, okay? And then you just have to search for Merlin AI. All right. And then you just have to choose this option right here. That's right. And then you just have to sign up or create your account using your Google account or your email address. So after signing in, you will be taken to your dashboards. If you're using the free plan, you'll have a limited daily usage, while paid plans unlock more features, higher usage limits, and access to additional AI models. Okay, so one of Merlin's biggest advantages is its browser extension. So in the dashboard, you will find an option to install an extension for supported browsers like Google Chrome or the Microsoft Edge. Okay, so right here, we can also use the Chrome Web Store to install the extension. So this is the Merlin AI, and since we already created our account, we can now add this to our web browser. So just simply add this to your extension. Okay, so just tap on add extension, and then after that you would be able to see here now that you have successfully added the Merlin AI. So just tap on this extension option right here and then make sure to pin this one. All right. Okay, so this is basically our Merlin extension. So going back here, once installed, you will see the Merlin icon in your browser toolbar. All right, so let me just go back here, and then I am going to put there at the top. All right, so let me just put that one right there. Okay, so the extension lets you access AI almost anywhere on the web without constantly switching tabs. So when you open the Merlin, you will usually find a chat window prompt box. So something like this. Okay. So for example, we are on Shopify. So let me just go here on Shopify. Okay, so for example, this one. So when we tap on the Merlin icon at the top, it will open a chat window and a prompt box. Okay, so we are currently watching this tab, the Shopify website. So AI model selection depending on your subscription, the save conversations, and writing and productivity tools. Now, before asking questions, choose the AI model you'd like to use if multiple options are available. So you have that right here. So yeah, we've got so many AI models. I'm just going to use that one. All right. So different models may perform better depending on whether you're writing, coding, researching, or brainstorming ideas. So we can use the Merlin for everyday tasks. All right. So for example, we are writing email. Suppose you need to write a professional email instead of starting from scratch. So let's just go back here. So we can ask Merlin to write a polite, all right? Write a polite email requesting a project deadline project deadline extension. Okay, then you just have to hit enter on your keyboard, and then Merlin will generate a draft that you can edit before sending. Okay, so for example, you already here. Okay, so you can also use that right here, or explain what Shopify platform is in simple terms. Okay, so for example, you don't want to read every details that Shopify provided, so you can actually ask Merlin to explain it to you in simple words. Okay, so yeah, Merlin also can summarize articles. So if you are reading a long blog post, you can open the article and you can ask Merlin to summarize it. So within seconds, you'll receive the key points without reading every paragraph. So for example, I'm just going to search for a blog post. All right. And then for example, we have here the blogs, and then we can ask Merlin to, again, summarize the articles. And then we can also summarize YouTube videos. So one of the Merlin's most popular features is the YouTube summarization. So we can just open a YouTube video and ask Merlin for a summary. We don't want our account to violate the terms of YouTube. So yeah, depending on the availability transcript, Merlin can provide main ideas, key takeaways, bullet point summaries, and action items. So this can save a lot of time when you're learning from long educational videos. And of course, with Merlin, you can actually improve your writing. So whether you're creating blog posts, assignments, or social media captions, Merlin can help you correct grammar, improve the clarity, rewrite awkward sentences, and then change tone, make content more professional, and simplify complex writing. So instead of rewriting everything yourself, you can polish your work in just a few clicks. Okay, and of course, you can brainstorm ideas. So you can ask Merlin's questions like, give me 10 YouTube video ideas. Okay, give me 10 YouTube video ideas. Right, and then Merlin will generate different topics that you can actually create. So, okay, so it's an excellent tool when you're facing creative block. All right, so yeah, you can explore Merlin more and then use it to as your extension whenever you need an AI assistant. So that's it for this video. If you think this would help you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.